Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's time for a Pusheen unboxing. If you're unfamiliar with Pusheen Box, it's a subscription service that sends out a box every season, so 4 boxes a year, and it's filled with Pusheen themed goodies. I've been doing these unboxings for years and I have a whole playlist if you're interested. This is the Winter Box. It's decorated with a candy cane. It's super cute. I have not seen any spoilers for it, but I will obviously mention we're now in January. I think Pusheen Box was heavily impacted by the congestion of mailing issues, and then with everything that we've been going through from 2020 to 2021 and now 2022. So I'm assuming that's why this took so long to get here. So we might be seeing some holiday themed items even though we're already in January. So just keep that in mind as we open up this box, because I have no idea what's in here. That candy cane is really cute though. I'm also going to try really hard not to be repetitive in this video, because I have a habit of calling everything cute and pretty like every 5 seconds, and then when I'm editing these videos I annoy myself, so I'm sure I'm annoying other people when I do that as well. So let's just take a quick overview of the box right here. Lots of cute goodies. As always, you get a little pamphlet that shows you every little thing that you get in the box. And this one's themed movie night, which is perfect. That means there's not going to be anything super holiday Christmassy in this box, so that's great. We're going to start off with, I don't even know, let's start off with, we have cozy gripper socks. These are huge. These are quite big, and they are definitely fuzzy on the inside. I can definitely see my feet personally overheating on this. But honestly, for a really cold day, these probably would be perfect for staying home. They have those grips so you don't slip on hardwood floors, which is what I have. So these are perfect on days where it's really cold. I think my fiance's house tends to be really cold, so I think this will be really handy. They're very pretty. Very practical. Let's just read what it says right here. It says these cozy slipper socks will keep you toasty all season long. So I think that's a nice practical item. I like it. We have a shirt, which is my favorite. I love when they bring apparel into these boxes. I think they're the most practical, and I think I get the most use out of those kinds of items. So this is a pullover. Get cozy on the couch in this comfy, cozy Pusheen pullover. It's a little Christmassy. So it's Pusheen with the wreath, and he has like a pretty scarf. She has, oh my gosh, I keep doing that. I'm so sorry. I keep misgendering Pusheen, and I keep calling him a boy, keep calling her a boy. It's a girl. She's in a scarf and her little hat, and this is a really nice color. It's like a nice beautiful blue, so I'm happy about that. I love pullovers. I love the sweaters. I love the hoodies that we tend to get with these boxes. I think they're nice quality, and they do hold up, or they have held up throughout the years. Next, we have the vinyl toy. I love the vinyl toys from these boxes because they're amazing collectibles. You can only get them here, and they're usually very well thought out. They're usually elaborate and a nice, decent size. They've come a long way, because it used to be like super small and cute, but now it's like a little bit bigger. So this one says, this comfy, cozy Pusheen vinyl to your collection, and it is quite beautiful. So it's Pusheen with a blanket, knocked out. I think that's a remote next to her, and then there's a gingerbread in a hot chocolate cup, which I think is adorable. I think this is really nice, and some pillows. I am super impressed with this. Lately I've been keeping them in the box after the close-ups because I don't want them to get ruined. Earlier in my Pusheen unboxing career, I definitely messed a couple up, in particular like the summer one with the palm tree. So now I just keep them in the box until I finally have a proper way of displaying them, probably in our new place. I'm manifesting it. When we move into our new spot, we'll have a better way of putting them on shelves or something. I'm not sure. But yes, this is a beautiful piece. It's gorgeous. These are always super special. Next thing we have is a blanket. Get cozy and stay warm all winter long with this cuddly Sherpa lined blanket. It says snuggle time, and it features the same image as the pop vinyl toy that we just looked at. So that's great. I love the blankets. That's another thing that are sometimes included in these boxes that I really love, because I feel like they're super practical and cozy and fun. They're not always super big, but that's to be expected because it's a small box, and I'm sure this box would be 10 times heavier if they included a bigger blanket. But it's always like a nice throwaway blanket to have like on your couch or something. So I'm happy about that. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. Next thing we have is a stuffed animal. These are always cute. They're always the same size, but I think they'll look good stacked together. It says here, snuggle up with this adorable Pusheen plush during your favorite scary movie marathon, and it features Pusheen with a blanket holding a tub of popcorn. It's perfect. I love popcorn. I love scary movies. There's no better feeling than being scared and being home and watching something that's intense on the screen. So I'm happy about that. I think that's really cute. I really like the movie theme going on here. It's really quite cute, and it actually goes well with this next item that I'm just looking at right now. These, how many are there? Is it 3 or is it 2? Is it just 2? Wait, oh no, it's just 1. It kind of looked like it was, oh no, it is 2. Okay, so these are little popcorn buckets. That is so cute. Upgrade your movie nights with this cute Pusheen popcorn bucket. Adorable. Features Pusheen laying down, eating some popcorn, and it says movie night on it. I think this is cute. They're a little bit thin, plasticky, but honestly, it's the thought that counts. With this, I'm okay with that. If you're gentle when you're washing them, I think they should hold up pretty well. I think this is adorable. Alright, I think we're down to the last 2 items. This is a little glass salt shaker, and it features Pusheen on some clouds with a little Christmas hat. Hand wash only, do not microwave. Let's see what it says. Add a little spice to your life with this popcorn salt shaker and get to snacking. I am a big fan of salt. I did, not anymore, but I used to have like issues with the amount of sodium I was consuming. So that's cute. I like it. I think it's adorable. Hand wash only. It's like those glass things, but it's fun. I love salt and pepper shakers. This is just a salt shaker, but I get why they did it because it fits in with the popcorn, and popcorn is notoriously very salty. Alright, very last item. It's stationery. I love me some stationery. Do I often use it or put it to use? Absolutely not, but it still feels good to get it. This is a movie checklist notepad. It says movie checklist, movies I want to watch, thoughts and synopsis, movies I've watched, thoughts and synopsis. So that's a cute little tracking system. Let's see what it says here. List, rate, and recommend all of your favorite movies with this handy movie checklist. I like that, but as you're writing things down and pulling the sheet, it's going to be hard to kind of keep that in like, I wish this was a form of a little notebook instead, because those individual sheets are going to rip as soon as you lift them up, and I feel like that's harder to keep track of what you want to watch if you're have a bunch of loose papers. I don't know. It is cute though. And that brings us to the end of this Pusheen box. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. I really love Pusheen box. Like, that's my favorite. It's so sad that I haven't made a video for any of them, but I did get the cat subscription box. I think I've gotten 3 so far, which the 3 that have been released so far, and I enjoy them, but I keep getting charged for them and I keep trying to cancel, but it's not showing up on my account. So I'm going to have to contact customer service, unfortunately, and get that figured out, because as much as I like it, I don't want to continue to pay for it. I think this is worth it. The cat box, I don't know. It's a little debatable for me because my cats don't like getting dressed up in anything. They don't like putting harnesses on, collars on. So some of those items end up being useless for me, but that's a video for another day. Let me know if you've ever tried the Pusheen box or the cat box down below, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.